back to the English Valley channel, and today I'm gonna speak that would you like to speak fluent English? Yeah, lips and bounce English. Firstly, I'm gonna speak that how to speak fluent English. So here I wanna speak one line that you should speak whatever you have knowledge for the sake of speaking English. That I know that you are not understanding that what should I speak in front of a person. So I wanna speak one thing that when you will speak, so after that you will do a lot of mistake because it is a part of me. It is a part of English, and that you will not do mistakes. So who will do? And that it is a part of English, and that you can do mistake. If you are able, if you are not able, it's not matter. Only you should focus that am I speaking or not, because it is the most important. If you will think that when I will speak lips and bounce English, after that I will speak in front of all. So I when I speak black and white here, that you will never speak. Yes, it's my confidence, because whatever I am speaking here, it's my it's my a lot of practice. That's why I'm speaking here. And that I when I speak, that if you wanna speak lips and bounce English, after that you will think that yeah, wrongness is part of English, and that without doing wrongness you will not speak here. So it's very important. You should do mistake, and that you should learn whatever you had done mistake. You should learn, and after that you will never do mistake that type whatever you had done. So that's why I wanna speak one thing, that when you will speak lips and bounce English, or when you will speak slow and steady English, so after that you will have to know one thing, that only you should focus for the sake of speaking, for the sake of listening, for the sake of watching, like English video. Yeah, when you will speak lips and bounce English, so after that you should focus over your word, that what am I speaking. So it's very important. After that you will speak lips and bounce English one day. So without wrongness or without doing mistake, you cannot go ahead. So that's why you should do, but you should learn whatever you had done. Yeah, you will do mistake. Okay, so bye, take care. I will meet you next video. Bye guys.